This video will change your life and I promise you that. Ladies and gentlemen and the students of business, Ashneer Grover in one of his recent podcasts told that he had basically done investment banking. He has worked as an investment banker. He has worked as a financial consultant. He had built two incredible startups, $2 billion unicorns. Yet in the last 1 year, when he started his content creation journey on Instagram, he had made more money on Instagram as a content creator than any of the other venture in the last 1 year. Ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you a very simple question. Which is the biggest content creator in India as of now? Which is the biggest content creator that India has ever seen till date? Now, a lot of you guys will have different answers to this question, will have different opinions to this question, but none of you will actually guess these two names, Baba Ramdev from Patanjali and Sadhguru. Now, let me give you a fact, guys. Baba Ramdev has built incredible business through Patanjali, as we all know that, and Baba Ramdev did this just because of the power of content. Because in the initial phases of his journey, in the initial phases of his life, he was basically building content on television, on YouTube, and giving free of cost yoga classes, free of cost yoga sessions, through which he built this incredible trust, incredible community, which helped him build Patanjali in the later phases of life. Similarly, Sadhguru, if you know this name Sadhguru, this guy basically has 40 channels on YouTube with different languages covering all across the world, and this guy Sadhguru has basically built this multi-million-dollar business with the name Isha Foundation. And again, this has all happened just because he knew how to leverage the power of content, how to leverage the power of social media. In fact, you'll be amazed to know that today, as of now, two major unicorns in the edtech sector, that is Unacademy and Physics Walla, actually started their journey by creating content free of cost on YouTube. They were initially content creators on YouTube, and through their community, by leveraging the power of this community and leveraging the power of social media, they built these incredible businesses that actually stand at $1 billion valuation today with the mark of a unicorn. Finance with Sharan, you all must have heard of this name, right? Raj Shamani, you again all must have heard of this name. These two guys again have built incredible businesses, made turnovers of worth over 10 crores in a single financial year just by using social media, just by being content creators on social media, and then leveraging the power of social media to build different sorts of businesses. These are just a few examples out of an ocean of creators that I've given you of people who have built incredible businesses, incredible amount of money, incredible amount of trust, fame, and every other thing just by being content creators on social media. Ladies and gentlemen and the students of business, in today's case study, we are basically going to cover the same topic, that should everyone become content creator in India? Should you guys start making content on social media? And if yes, should it be done purely with the intent of earning money, or are there some other benefits and other perks associated with this as well? We'll cover this entire thing in today's case study. This case study is actually going to add incredible value in your life. Please make sure to watch this case study till the end. Please spare few minutes out of your busy schedule, busy life. Watch this video till the end. It might turn around your life. It might change your life forever. It might turn out to be incredibly valuable for your journey. Ladies and gentlemen, when I started B School, my pure intention behind this entire channel was to deliver incredible value and real life skills to the people of India to help them grow. So while I was in the research process of how and what can I do, what kind of content can I make to help you guys achieve incredible value, incredible success in your life, and when I was going through the comment section of the kind of skills that people need nowadays, I actually found a hack to majority of the problems that a person faces in his life. Now, what are these problems? Lot of you guys actually have this problem of communication. You guys must have bought a number of courses on YouTube of how you can become a good content, of how you can become a good orator, a good communicator. Lot of people actually struggle with making friends, how you can be an extrovert, how you can build a community, how you can get friends, how you can build circles. Lot of you guys, when you guys are in the student process, when you guys are college students, school students, lot of you guys ask this question, that what are the different ways I can generate a passive income? And in fact, even if you're a working professional, lot of you people actually tend to try to just figure out ways of how you can actually build a second source of income through for your life. Ladies and gentlemen, there was a point of time in our lives when the choice of career was dependent on this word or. You can either be an engineer or you can either be a doctor. You can either be a chartered accountant or you can be something else. But now with the power of social media, with the rise of social media, anyone, be it an engineer, be it a full-time doctor, be it a full-time working chartered accountant or any other government employee, can actually build content and can actually use content to grow incredibly in life. So to answer the first question, whether everyone should become a content creator, my answer would be a 1000% yes. And if you ask what are the primary reasons, should money factor be the only reason, or is money factor the only reason behind content creation journey? The answer is no. I am going to give you multiple pointers which will add value to your life, which will make you decide upon this factor that should you start making content on YouTube or not. Please stay with me till the end. This video is actually going to add incredible value to your life. Let us start this discussion point wise point of why you should make content on YouTube, why should you become a content creator, and how content creation journey will actually add value to your own life. Ladies and gentlemen, the first pointer goes to the people who are willing to get into the segment of startups and entrepreneurship. If you are a budding entrepreneur looking for a startup idea or building a startup idea, content creation can actually help you achieve incredible numbers for your own startup. Now, as I just quoted, PhysicsWallah, Unacademy, TechBurner and all the other startups are actually doing the same thing. They are using the power of social media to make a community, to build a community, and over the years, after some years, after 2 to 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, when you have a community of people who trust you, who watch your videos on everyday basis, when you have a community to support you on YouTube or on any other social media platform, you can utilize that community to sell out your products and to roll out your startup idea in the market, and actually that will be so much beneficial to you guys, because at the end your marketing cost, your CAC, customer acquisition cost, will be incredibly low, will actually be negligible, because you are not spending any stuff on marketing. You have thousands of people who know you, who trust you and are willing to buy products from you because they have seen you growing your content piece by piece over the years. So all the people who are willing to get into the segment of business, into the segment of startups, before doing anything, before even thinking about your startup, your go-to-market strategy or any of those big business decisions, I would first recommend you to start a channel and pick your niche, pick your idea and start making content on YouTube regarding your idea, regarding your startup, to help you build a community of potential customers, so that when you actually launch your startup, when you actually launch your business idea, you have a full grown community of potential buyers whom you can pitch your idea and get customers without spending anything on marketing. My second pointer is for the people who want to build communication skills. Now, this is a problem that is faced by a lot of people in India. Majority of India actually faces this problem on day-to-day basis, and they buy all these expensive courses, they go to these expensive workshops to try and figure out how can they become good communicator. Well, my simple advice would to you would be, you start making content on YouTube or on Instagram without thinking about anything else, without thinking about how the way that you speak, without thinking about the kind of language you deliver, without thinking about your English speaking skills or anything else. When you start making content on social media, your communication skills will actually start developing video by video. You make a target that in a span of 1 year, you will make 100 videos, and you compare yourself. In the first video versus the 100th video, your communication skills will actually grow to a great extent. This is a tried and tested experiment. This has been told by a lot of people across the world, that the first step to build your communication skills for yourself, for your job, for any of the other parts of your journey, you simply start a YouTube channel and simply start making content on YouTube, and simply follow what people give you as a feedback. Simply check out the comments that people have written, simply follow those instructions, simply take the feedback, implement the feedback in your day-to-day videos, and you will be a part powerful communicator in the next 1 year. When you start making content on social media, you basically develop this habit of script writing, of delivering content, of delivering speeches, of delivering quality content, right? You develop the skill of researching, studying about the facts, studying about the data. And when you do all those stuff, you basically develop incredible amount of confidence, because a good communicator is that person who has clarity of thought in his head. If you know your head, if you know what you are supposed to speak in your head very clearly, the communication process will actually be incredibly easy. And that is what this journey of content creation tells you. That is what content creation, this entire journey is all about. You get into the market, you research about different topics, you study them, you study the data, then you write the script, you design the script in a very structured manner, and finally you deliver content. And when you deliver content, you take multiple takes, because of which your communication skills actually grow to a great extent. Just try this experiment, make 100 videos in a span of 1 year, compare the first video with the 100th video, and you'll actually see the difference that your communication skills have developed to a great extent. Now the third pointer goes out for all the students and the working professionals who are willing to generate a secondary source of income, or as we call, a passive source of income. If you want to generate a passive source of income, obviously in all the other segments you have to invest some sort of capital. If you want to generate rental income, you'll have to spend lakhs of amount of rupees to buy a property in the first place. If you want to generate interest income, you'll have to accumulate a lot of funds, put it into FD, and then the interest income will flow. If you want to generate dividend income, obviously you'll have to invest incredible amount of capital in stocks so that you can get dividend income. But what about social media? What about this content creation journey? You just have to spare 1 hour from your daily routine, and this can be spared by both students as well as working professionals. And you are not supposed to invest any sort of capital in this segment. Just by putting 1 hour consistently for 1 year, you can actually reach to that level of generating passive income. In the initial years, obviously it will be less because you have not invested that amount of capital, but compare the return on investment. Without investing a piece of money, without investing any amount, even if you are able to make 5,000 rupees per month, that is an incredible ROI. So the YouTube journey, the content creation journey, can actually be a secondary source of income for all you people who are willing to generate passive source of income for your lives. Now my fourth pointer goes out for the people who are in the jobs of sales. If you look closely, content creation and this entire journey of social media is all about selling yourself. There are thousands of videos, millions of videos that are uploaded on YouTube every minute, and you try to make your video worthy enough so that a lot of people, majority of the people, instead of watching any other video, watch your videos. This is simply the art of selling, and if you spend 2-3 years on YouTube on this content creation journey, you will actually become a powerful salesman, because you will know how to gather customer insights, you will know how to gather customer feedback, how to work on those feedback, how to optimize your pitch, how to optimize your content, how to optimize your video, and every other bits and pieces that you require to be a great salesman. So ladies and gentlemen, it is not about money, as I just mentioned. To be a powerful communicator, to build a great business, to build a great startup, to generate a passive source of income, to build your selling skills, to become a good salesman, you can use social media, you can use the power of content creation to add value to your life, to gather all these skills that I just mentioned, and actually change your life in the next 5 to 10 years, just simply by following the path of social media, by following the path of content creation. And we have live examples of thousands of people who have done it. So I would recommend to each and every one of you, today itself, take a decision that you guys will get into the segment of content creation. I want my community to be incredibly successful. These videos are simply made to add incredible amount of value to your lives. I hope this video will be a turning point for your lives. I hope after this video, a lot of you guys will actually turn around to become a content creator. Let me know in the comment section if any one of you plans on being a content creator. I would definitely support you. My support will go to each and every one of you. if you guys plan on taking an action after this case study. That is it from my end for today's case study. I'll see you guys in another video. This video was brought to you by the B School, your own online business school. I'll see you guys in another case study. If you like the content, please do subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for more such regular updates on our business case studies. Please like the video so that YouTube algorithm promotes this video to a lot of people, and lot of other people in India can actually change their lives. I'll see you guys in another video. Till then, take care, stay tuned, bye bye.